baby. It's all the fun on the casino floor.
New players deposit $5 and get 500 total spins on Huff and More Puff, plus a 24-hour loss back up to 1,000 in credits.
Like a relentless lead, moderate to severe Crohn's disease symptoms can keep coming back. Break away to what's possible with Tremfya. With rapid remission at 12 weeks and fewer bowel movements and less abdominal pain at 4 weeks. Most patients achieve remission at 1 year, and some patients saw visible healing of the intestinal lining. Serious allergic reactions and increased risk of infections and liver problems may occur. Before treatment, your doctor should check you for infections and TB. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, flu-like symptoms, or if you need a vaccine. Healing is possible with Tremfya. Backed by over 15 years of clinical research. Ask your doctor about Tremfya today.
Remember this is multi-Grammy and Oscar winner John Batista was epic concert in Central Park. This was just last night. So he's unveiling new layers of his artistry. Artistry is a word from his soulful performance at the Super Bowl to recording his 9th album. It's called Big Money, rooted in American traditions like gospel, blues, and rock and roll, of course, with a powerful underlying message. Here's a listen. In spades. He's joining us now first on CBS Mornings. You know how we knew John Batiste was in the room? Because you hear, yeah. I just saw you get, honest to God, walking joy when you walk in the room.
You really are. I'm glad to be here.
Yes.
I'm glad to be back amongst friends. It's great.
Yeah, now you say this new music, number one, your music is always speaking from your heart and always speaking your truth.
Yes, you gotta be true, you have to be authentic. That's the thing you've been given in this world. And if you put it out there without fear, it's gonna change some people's lives.
But
Let them know they can do that.
But this one you say is about the heart of humanity. There's a couple songs that really stood out to me that we can talk about later. But the heart of humanity, I think we need a big old dose of humanity right now in time frame.
Oh, well, you know, I think about my music not just for the people who are here now, the generations to come, and young people. A lot of times I also think about the kids who hear the music and they hear concepts for the first time. How you introduce these heavy topics, these really deep, meaningful things, and always have at the center of it the golden rule, and treat people with respect, and also understanding what you have within, that light within you, and knowing how to let that shine and let it shine bright. So I think about the young people when they hear this music, you know, in families and just everybody, the people who are the fabric of community every day. What's the music for the everyday people? Just what is the sound of this time? And how do we deal with real things in this time? But also music that's just still rooted in celebration and transcendence. You don't want to just deal with the problem without having fun and dancing along the way. Right? Have fun along the way.
So let me ask you, we love that song, Big Buddy. The video is it's so great. I love how you shot it. You came up with this idea for the song in Nashville after you performed at the historic Ryman Auditorium. And there's so much history in that space. What inspired you to write this song from that experience?
You know, I had this practice of journaling on the road, very unorthodox practice. I would carry my guitar everywhere I go. And obviously the piano is my home base, and that's my love. But I was playing so much guitar on stage on the tour and backstage. I would be writing little lyrics and words and melodies and recording them on the bus and recording them in different places. And after the Ryman show, it was like, it was a palpable energy in the air. There was so much of the music community that came out. The audience at one point became a choir. They were singing
in Nashville, the heart of country music.
It was amazing.
Yes.
And the carried that energy into one of these sessions, and the song Big Money came before I knew that it would be the theme of the album. It's one of those things that just came out there, and I had the song. And then about 6 months later, we went to the studio and recorded the album. In about 2 weeks, it just was lightning in the bottle. Everybody in the same room, everything's one take, no edits. It's just like the band in the room with me singing the song.
That's beautiful. And it's so much fun in the video, Big Money, and you do a fun dance there. I know you shared the steps with your wife, Zuleika, and I know that you encourage people to dance with their loved ones, which I take to heart. You've said this before, but when the little kids give me that little kid stare and I'm dancing in the kitchen, I know they're judging me. Is it possible? I'll bring my shoulder and my shoulders to the back. I'm dancing.
Yeah, might as well live for something you can feel, baby.
All right.
If you can feel it, it's good.
All right.
And you know, that's the thing. When you dance, you just dance, they say, like nobody's watching.
Yeah.
But your kids watching.
How is Zuleika, John? Because I know you said, how's she doing?
She is incredible. You saw when she was doing the Big Money steps in
Yes.
the video we did. We were on vacation together. We just milking the beautiful moments of life.
Milking the moments of life. Because there's a song, Lean on My Love, that made me think of her.
Yes.
And Do It All Again. That made
Do it all again.
When you wrote that, were you thinking of her, or you were just thinking about love in general?
Oh, no,
The
no.
lyrics are very beautiful.
Yeah, the thing with I love the lyrics to play on at least 2 or 3 different levels at a time.
Give me your favorite lyric from both those songs.
So, Lean on My Love is about her. Don't Do It All Again is definitely about her.
Yeah.
And Lean on My Love, you've been taking the high road solo for way too long. From Sunday to Sunday, come back to where you belong. This is how I know.